Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make French-style hot chocolate. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need about 100 grams of high-quality dark chocolate, preferably 70% cocoa or higher, for a deep flavor. Also, have 250 milliliters of whole milk, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt ready. These simple components are the foundation for a truly luxurious drink. Next, we focus on the melting process. Pour 250 milliliters of whole milk into a saucepan and heat it gently over medium-low heat. It is crucial not to let the milk boil, just bring it to a gentle simmer. Then, gradually add your 100 grams of finely chopped dark chocolate. Stir continuously with a whisk or spoon until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Now, let's achieve that signature velvety smoothness. Once the chocolate is fully melted, whisk the mixture vigorously for about 2 to 3 minutes. This action emulsifies the chocolate and milk, creating a rich, frothy texture. The hot chocolate should become thick enough to beautifully coat the back of a spoon. Taste and add an extra tablespoon of sugar if you prefer a sweeter drink. Finally, it is time to serve your exquisite French hot chocolate. Pour the rich, velvety liquid into small, elegant demitasse cups. This drink is best enjoyed immediately, while it is still warm and its texture is at its peak. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can garnish it with a dollop of fresh whipped cream or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Savor every sip of this truly luxurious treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.